We need to move the floor drain for the shower from where it is to right about here in there somewhere. So we're going to jackhammer roughly this U-shaped area out. You can rent a jackhammer like this at Home Depot for about $50 for 4 hours, or $80 some for the day. Shouldn't take too long. So I've kind of made an outline around that that U-shaped line that I did. What you do is you just sort of run the jackhammer around the outside, then you can start breaking up the concrete in the middle. Okay, it turns out I had to do a little more jackhammering than I thought. A shower's going in here, so it needs a 2-inch drain by local code here where we are. There's just a 1.5 inch from the builder here. So we're going to have to cut out all this and put in full 2-inch drain. And I decided just to go directly from here right over to where the drain's going to be, right in here. Which pipe here, with the P-trap, new P-trap going over to the shower drain. So we've replaced that old 1.5 inch with 2 inch. The next step will be to position the P-trap under the shower drain. We might have to cut this piece back a little bit. It's a little bit long right now. You want to keep it a bit long so you can adjust. It's easier to cut off 1 inch than it is to add 1 inch, that's for sure. The shower base is in place now, and you can see we've got our new 2-inch piping with the P-trap, and it's pretty close. I eyeballed the first cut and made it a little bit long, and you can see I've put another piece coming out of the P-trap, and you can see I don't know if you can see that, it's pretty good. It's a little bit close to the wall, so we'll just measure that. We'll probably take about a 1/2 inch, just eyeballing it again off. That's a better shot, to bring that right into the middle of the drain. Okay, we've got the new 2-inch pipe all glued. Now the next step is to fill the gravel back in, right up to the bottom of where the old concrete starts, and then we'll... Okay, the gravel's in. And we'll put this ring flush with the concrete there. That'll allow us to okay, we have the concrete all set in there now. It doesn't look bad. It's the first time I've ever done any concrete work, so it went okay. I think we got her fairly level.